We have amongst us another motivator whom not only do I know know her personally, and not only is she very close to my heart, she is Mrs. Kamala Podar. Not only does she have a charming personality, but she is a wonderful soul too. Kamla ji has sure made a positive impact in society by her academic centers in various professional fields such as fashion, IT, aviation, wellness, and lifestyle.
Naman, can we have her video, please? I think there is some Wi-Fi issue.
Yeah.
Naman?
Is the video visible?
No, we are seeing the, you have to log, the previous person has to log out actually.
I think Tanu has to.
Tanu, you have to log, yeah. Now you play it, please, Naman.
So our next motivator is Kamla ji. Kamla ji, as I know, not only does she have a charming personality, but is a wonderful soul too. She sure has made a positive impact in society by her academic centers in various professional fields such as fashion, IT, aviation, wellness, and lifestyle. She also chairs the Jaipur chapter for Pushpabitan Friendship Society, which promotes floral art at an international level. Kamla ji is also actively associated with several prominent industrial and social organizations in Jaipur. I hereby now request Mrs. Kamla Podar to enlighten us and motivate us by her words of advice.
Thank you, Divya. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Divya, and namaskar to everyone. My journey, because I heard so many people, and my journey is, you can say, it's very different from today's world. जैसा वन्ना जी ने कहा, मैं वहीं से शुरू करती हूँ कि मैं अकेले ही चली थी जानिबे मंजिल और लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. I started my journey in 1994 with 5 people, and with the grace of God, now more than 1,000 people. And before telling my experience, I just for 1 minute, I want to share my family background. So this is a better understanding for you people how difficult the world was on that time. In 94, there is no woman entrepreneur. So I born and brought up in Kolkata with a very traditional family. But again, as the British culture is there, going to club, seeing the race and all and everything from the business family. And when 94, I started my entrepreneurship, my journey, mother of 2 young children, after 15 years after the marriage. And I was not allowed to study beyond 10th, Hindi medium. So this is my background. And now when I started this, my institute, I want to share my first experience. There was a launch fashion show and auditorium made 1,200 whose students was there, and I have to give the welcome speech मुझे देनी थी. और उस वेलकम स्पीच में, वेलकम स्पीच तो ठीक है हमने मिलके किसी से भी लिखवा ली, बट देयर इज सम फ्यू डिफिकल्ट इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स थे, मैं उसको बहुत प्रॉपर्ली प्रोनाउंस नहीं पहले तक कर रही थी. देन आइडिया केम इन माय माइंड कि इस डिफिकल्ट वर्ड को मैं हिंदी में लिखती हूँ और मैं मेरी स्पीच में उसको हिंदी में पढ़ूंगी. एंड लेटर ऑन आई केम टू नो कि so many different foreign language people like Sonia Gandhi has written the Hindi speech in Italy, and then she gives the speech. And the second, my helping point is the podium. When the 1200 people were started clapping and I was alone in the auditorium stage, and the light was only on me, and from the audience there is a dark. And on that day I shared this experience. I remember कि जिसने भी ये podium का invent किया है, invention, उसने बहुत सोच समझ के किया कि यदि आपके leg shake कर रहे हैं तो किसी को दिखाई ना पड़े. I was so nervous. That was my first public speaking. And after, when I finished that, the whole auditorium was full of noise and appreciated a lot. So this kind of experience, if you go, you know, I started my fashion design institute first, and Rajasthan, I can't say it was a conservative state. Like fashion means no. Rajasthan fashion means no. I said कि कोई यहाँ पढ़ाने के लिए फैकल्टी नहीं मिलेंगे. I said फैकल्टी तो कहीं से भी मिल जाएंगे, पर स्टूडेंट कहाँ मिलेंगे. Then we have to make them understand कि आवाज राजमाता Gayatri Devi Sahab was the most fashionable woman, not in India, in the world. So that way the Jaipur people understand the fashion, and now I think after the 22 years, Jaipur is in the fashion map, and all the designers will travel to Rajasthan, especially Jaipur, to create, take the clothes and design and the fashion for that. So I want to share this कि जब आप कोई चीज अपनी पैशन के साथ करते हैं, आप अपने हार्ट को सुनते हैं, आप अपनी किसी भी चीज को बैरियर नहीं बनाते हैं कि मेरी स्टडीज नहीं है, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, मेरा बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, उन सब चीजों को सोच के आप यदि एक कॉमन बेसिक थिंकिंग के साथ अपने आप को सोचना शुरू करते हैं कि नहीं, यस आई कैन डू. इफ यू थिंक, जैसे क्या कि इफ यू थिंक यू कैन. Then after this fashion institute, my experience was IT, because today's subject is IT. And in 2000, for IT for me, mouse is for me rat. It's not a mouse. But now today I will not say that I don't know IT. I'm quite very good tech savvy without taking any formal knowledge, just fiddling with the phone and iPad and computer and all. Quite a lot I learned, and we are running the BSc IT and MSc IT from Manipal Institute. So the thing is that being a business family, मेरे से एक business करने के core मेरे अंदर थे, उसको मैंने passion से उसमें किया, and I took a road less traveled, as the earlier speaker said, the less travel. जो early mover का जो benefit होता है, in insurance training, I have gone to IRDA chairman, और मैं अभी भी आपसे हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश में बात कर सकती हूँ. He was the IRDA chairman. मैंने 5 मिनट उनसे इंग्लिश में बात की, वो साउथ इंडियन थे, और मुझे लगा उनको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आएगी तो मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूँ. Then I requested them कि मैं हिंदी में सोचती हूँ, इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करती हूँ, फिर मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ. And he appreciate a lot. Why I'm sharing this experience? कि if you are honest with yourself, so your delivery will be 100%. And the other person, you are going there for ask a business, वो आप पे बहुत trust करता है, because you know कि some trustworthy person is sitting in front of you. So I win and I succeed, like all this experience with me, and my observation was very strong. मैंने सबको देख के सीखा, मेरी रियलिटी लर्निंग हुई है. मैं 10th के बाद नहीं पढ़ी, लेकिन उसके बाद मैंने रियलिटी, सारे ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स में अटेंड करती थी. आज मैंने यहाँ जितने भी स्पीकर्स को सुना, इन सबसे मैंने कुछ सीखा है. And age is not a bar. I'm not here only for listening the speakers. I want to learn something from these young girls. So that's fantastic. So if you think कि आप किसी भी समय सीखने का अपना जज्बा रखते हो तो आप कभी भी सीख सकते हो. And then मैंने एक चीज सीखी, मैं आप सबसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि मछली कितने अंडे देती है, शायद बहुत कम लोगों को पता होगा एट ए टाइम. और मुर्गी एक अंडा देती है, पूरे शहर को बता देती है. तो यू हैव टू क्रिएट ए नॉइज ऑफ योर वर्क. एंड मछली एट ए टाइम 1000 एग्स प्रोड्यूस करती है. 1000, नॉट 1000. So you can see ki if like the our speakers and me, whoever create a good work, if the, say for example Cove is create a good work, so Nidhi has to create a noise in everywhere ki yes, Cove India, Cove Rajasthan is doing this. So that today's world, that creating a noise is a main thing and people should know about it. And मेरी जो जर्नी में मैं आपसे ये एक चीज और शेयर करना चाहूंगी आपसे. लाइक यू नो देयर इज अ 4 काइंड ऑफ पीपल. मैंने अपनी ट्रेनिंग में सीखा था कि देयर इज अ 4 काइंड ऑफ पीपल. कि एक तो वो होते हैं जो अपने में ही लेबोरियस वर्क काम करना चाहते हैं, दूसरे होते हैं सुपरवाइजर होते हैं, तीसरे होते हैं मैनेजर होते हैं, एंड द फोर्थ वन इज द डायरेक्शन. इफ यू डेलीगेट द वर्क to your team, then you become, I feel, a better entrepreneur if you delegate the work, if you trust your people, and distance से आप उसको watch करें, आप उसको देखें. and उसके बाद मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि मेरी जो जर्नी आज के दिन भी है, स्टिल आई एम लर्निंग. आई कांट से माय स्टार्टअप वाज इन 94, बट स्टिल न्यू स्टार्टअप एवरी डे. सम न्यू स्टार्टअप इज विथ मी, क्योंकि as Divya said कि my floral art is a new startup from last 3 year baby, and maybe next year some new startup will come like a new children. So I think my time is up. So thank you very much for listening and giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Kamla ji. We could have heard you for much longer.